Hi everyone, this is Sheeta Sapan Matre, and today I am going to share with all of you a miracle statement from the Prosperity Workshop. I am going to conduct Prosperity Workshop from 12th February 2021 onwards. The details of the workshop are given in the description column below. You can also contact my team on WhatsApp 9820-533-750 for registration. So I will also share with you what all will be covered in the Prosperity Workshop. So before that, let me share with all of you the miracle statement from the Prosperity Workshop. So, recently times have been so tough for many people. There is a lot of insecurity that goes around. People are always worried that what if they lose job? What if the business goes down? What if the economy fails further? What will happen to their finances? Or they are worried about something or the other. Now what happens with worry is, worry will never fill your bank account, worry will never fill your cash box, your wallet, but worry will definitely empty your wallet, your cash box and your bank, because worry leads to stress and health issues, right? It doesn't resolve anything. Now we all know this fact, but the problem is, even if you're aware of this fact, you're not able to stop worrying. But what if there is a miracle statement which you can repeat constantly whenever you feel anxiety or whenever you feel worry, not only with regards to money but with regards to anything? Isn't it wonderful? So the miracle statement that you can keep on repeating whenever you feel anxious, whenever you feel worried or insecure is, God is in charge, everything is okay. God is in charge and everything is okay. Keep on repeating this miracle statement till you start feeling calmer from within. The moment you will keep on repeating this miracle statement again and again, a message will go to your subconscious mind that God is taking care of everything and everything is fine. When your subconscious mind will start feeling that everything is okay, you will start feeling more relaxed. Your vibrations will in turn start increasing because you are not giving energy to anxiety. So when your vibrations start increasing, you will be in sync with the energy of prosperity. So in the Prosperity Workshop, we will be covering powerful prayers. Prayers regarding finding a new job, growth in the current job, business, how to increase your business, overall prosperity. We'll also be doing a special ritual for healing Akashic records, forgiveness exercises, karma clearing mantras will be shared. Also, we are going to learn different types of money exercises that can help to raise your vibrations and be in sync with the energy of money. We're also going to clear blockages that are blocking your prosperity and finances. Apart from this, we are also going to learn ancestral healing ritual. This ritual will help to get rid of Pitrudosh or any kind of ancestral curse or pain that you may have knowingly or unknowingly inherited or manifested. Alright. Apart from that, we are also going to learn how to make your own prosperity book. We'll also practice some gratitude exercises and a lot of other things. The details of this workshop is given in the description column below. I will also attach some miracles which the participants have experienced. The link of that particular miracle video will also be in the description column. So in case if you're interested, you can contact my team on WhatsApp 9820-533-750. Thank you so much for the great response that we have already received from all of you. This is Sheeta Sapan Matre. Have a great day ahead.